your problem in there. There
You
you
said 15?
16.
go. Page 16, number 4 in the section review. Anyway, we
Okay.
finished another section. All right.
That was
Okay.
the goal, right?
Yeah.
We can finish 2 sections.
Okay.
Okay, so 1 1/4 minus 7/16 equals, so make sure you put your equal sign in. What's the first step in this problem, guys?
Find the common denominator,
Okay,
which would be 16.
and how do I get 16?
No, it's 4.
No, it's 16.
We can go the other way and do 4.
Because 4 times.
How would you, let me ask you this, just to clarify, how would you
Oh,
get?
no, I couldn't, because it's 7 at a time.
7/16 is what? Fully reduced,
Right.
right? 1/4 is also fully reduced. So now I have to find what the commonality is, and again, for me sometimes is draw that line. This is 1 times 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16. There's my common right there. So now I know that 4 times this number and 4 times that number will give me fractions that I can do something with.
Right.
Because my denominator will be the same, and it will also be fully reduced.
So, bring that over.
Yep.
This will turn into 4 though. So 1 times anything is a number.
Right.
1 times that, yep.
So that'll turn into 4. And this will turn into 16.
Okay,
Right.
And this is the same, right? It's still minus.
yeah, because we didn't change the denominator in the right fraction.
Right. So
Okay.
the whole number you leave just by itself anyway.
So now here, do you see an issue? You're supposed to subtract, how are you going to subtract 7 from 4?
You can't. So can I borrow from the whole number?
Ruh-roh.
Shaq,
So Shaggy says, so
I'm telling you, I'm telling you. I'm
So what you can do,
Fire.
here's what you can do. If you see something like that, sometimes it's easier to see it. Oh, thank you. Here, I'll give you this one back. Sometimes it's easier to see it if you write it vertically. 1 4/16 minus 7/16. So now it's like a regular subtraction problem, just with a couple other elements. It's the same process otherwise. Okay? So if I've got 4 and I have to subtract 7, I have to borrow.
from this.
Yeah.
So that turns into 14.
Yep.
But then now they say.
No, hang on. What is, so we had a 1 here.
Right.
If
So
I
the whole
borrow
number,
that, what
it
does
turns
that
into
equal?
0.
What is this equal as a fraction?
Remember the fraction?
Equals, I don't know.
16.
I don't understand the question.
Okay, so if I have a denominator of 16, I have to stay in 16s, right? I can't go with something else. 16, what number would I put up here to have it still equal 1?
16.
Okay. So what I can't do, I have to be real careful not to, is take this out and put a 1 there. Because I've only added 10 16ths to this, when I should be adding 16 16ths,
Which is 20.
which is equal to 1, right?
So this fraction turns into 16, 16.
Nope.
You're adding 16 16ths to the 4 16ths. Remember my pi
Because
before?
of the whole number.
Because of the whole number, which is equal to this.
So this will turn into 2016, which will turn into.
There you go.
Which will turn into a
Your
improper fraction.
16 16ths plus whatever your numerator is
Right.
here equals what you subtract this from.
20, 16, that's gone. So this is
Yeah.
improper fraction now.
Yep, that's okay. That's okay. Remember, we do our reducing at the very end.
Right. But
So we're subtracting what from 20 over 16? There you go. That equals,
so just subtract now. So it would be. Oh wait, would this turn into 12 to bring back the whole number?
don't get over ahead of yourself.
Okay.
Again, if you go this way, right, vertically,
Yeah,
20 minus 7,
it's 13.
okay? And what is that?
13 over 16.
Final answer?
No. 'Cause I
Wanna phone a friend?
I can do this done by 3.
50-50.
That's the final answer?
Yeah.
Ah.
Unless somebody disagrees. 13 16
Maybe
is your
I'm just
final
too
answer?
committed to try to
This
reduce.
is a proper
Yeah.
fraction.
Maybe I'm just too committed, I'm trying to
You
reduce
can't-
it.
What was that about the improper fraction?
It's a proper fraction.
Yeah.
Oh, it turned into a proper fraction.
Right.
This is
Once you
okay. If it's in the
subtract-
problem, if you're working a problem, you may have to make or create, not going to create, you're going to convert 2 improper fractions to be able to do the math.
Okay.
Much like regular subtraction, if I've got, 11 minus 7.5. Okay, I have to borrow from this 11. I can't just borrow from the 1, because that's only gonna give me 0. Actually, I can, so, and then this is gonna be 2 over 2. Well, 2 over 2 isn't a proper fraction, it's 1,
It's a
but
number,
we
right?
converted so that we can do this math.
3.5.
So 1 minus 1 is 1 over that 2. 10 minus 7 is 3.
Yeah.
And it's
Okay.
already reduced, so that's.
Wow.
Yep,